All right, today I have an Acura MDX and I'm going to go over the heating and cooling system in this vehicle. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up if you find my video helpful at all? I'll appreciate it. All right, so let's get started. So this is the heating and cooling system, and we're gonna start on the left and work our way around. All right, the first thing is the temperature, okay? This knob right here controls the temperature. Go this way, it turns it to warmer. That way it turns cooler. And it shows you on the display panel right here, as I go left, temperature gets colder, right, warmer. All right, cool. Next is the on-off button. Pretty much self-explanatory, on-off. Next, next is the fan speed. The small fan lowers the fan blowing speed, you see right there, and then the big fan makes it go faster. Watch, I'm gonna press the big one. All right, and the small one to make it go slower. All right, pretty cool. Next, we can turn on the windshield defroster. All right, by pressing that, press that and it starts blowing on the windshield to do defrost. All right, next there's also, let me turn the fan down so it's not so loud. All right, next is temperature control for the passenger side. Now the passenger can control the temperature. As you can see, it's different from the driver's right there. All right, you know, I can change that. But if you want both sides to be the same temperature, press this sync button and it syncs the temperature together, and you can control it by the drivers, and you see they're synchronized together and changing. All right, next is the rear window defrost and the side view mirror defrost. Press that, all right, to defrost that. Next is the recirculation of the air. AC button, press this, make sure it is on. If you want air conditioning to be on, of course you have to change the temperature to really cold. And then next is the mode. All right, you can change the mode. The mode is the direction of where the air is flowing, and as I press it and scroll through it, it shows you face and feet, face, feet and windshield, feet, face and feet again. All right, pretty cool. Let me know if you have any questions.